Jiaxing Jinnaike Hardware Products Company Limited is a leading worldwide manufacturer in Jiaxing, based originally since 2012, produces gate hardware products used for sliding gate, swing gate, and cantilever gate. We are backed by powerful technology and production. 11,965 square meters space plant, high-speed stamping machines, track making machines, wire cutting machines, milling machines, tooling making team, technical team, well-trained production staffs, aggressive management and sales team, who has shown dedicated performance standards and made us experienced supplier to the international frontiers. The hardware products, such as sliding gate wheel, sliding barn door hardware accessories, gate track, gate stopper, gate hinge, adjustable hinge, cantilever gate wheel, guide wheel, nylon roller, roller bracket, post cap, gear rack, steel bracket with rollers, are sold well all over the world because of high quality and competitive prices. To maximize market opportunity and meet the customer's demands, we continually expand the products with more specifications and varieties, so we could cooperate not only on the existing products with customers' private logos, also the custom specifications, or even new items that can be produced by the current machine equipment or tooling. The low-cost, reliable sourcing, directly from China's factory, has become an integrated part of life to beat the competition around you. Enjoying good reputation from all the customers worldwide, we are the reliable partner you can trust in China. Thank you for your preference.